Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another set of nails and I'm so happy. So we're doing 135 and I believe 136. Yep, 136. And we are gonna do some ombres. We are gonna do some solid colors here first. I absolutely love this yellow and green, and I thought it would be perfect to demonstrate how I do an ombre with gel polish. I do ombres with hard gel and gel polish, but I figured I would show you with gel polish because I feel like gel polish is more widely used. And I love Ugly Duckling for this. Now, usually I would recommend something less pigmented to do an ombre so you can blend it easier, but I'm gonna show you how we do it. So I wiped quite a bit off my brush here because you saw how pigmented those two nails were. And since I wiped quite a bit, I try to keep it in the area that I'm going to ombre. So I'm doing it on half the nail, and you can see I'm just trying to get an even layer, but not as opaque. So once we lay down that green, we're gonna wipe most of it off, and then I kind of come over to where the yellow would be, just ever so slightly. You can see there's hardly any color on that brush, and we are just going to even that out. All right, now we're taking the yellow, and I took off most of the gel polish off that brush, and I'm coming down the side before going into the middle here to make sure I have it even. And you can see I kind of wipe part of it off. That way, when I'm mixing, I'm not, distributing too much color. And that way it will really, really blend. Okay. Second coat, we have fully cured now. Sorry, this is super low. I didn't realize how low I was on the camera. And we are going to repeat the process. Slightly down the side, scrape most of it off, and then come in to that middle area all the way down. So again, this vertical ombre, you'll just do thin layers. I do 2, you can do 3, depends how much blending you need to do or the opacity that you want to get. So I'm taking that yellow now, still uncured, and we just blending it in the middle. Light feather strokes, very light. And you can see when I feel like I'm dragging too much of the color, I will wipe parts of it off. And I just love this. I think this technique works super well. If you're finding you're having trouble with this, I always recommend using top coat, and you can maybe mix some of the colors. I can show you in another tutorial if you want me to, using the top coat method. So here is that ombre, and we just go and top coat it because everything looks better top coated. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch the second nail again, and I'll leave this in real time for you.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
now we're coming in and top coating. Now this, you could do two different things. So I like how my ombre looks, but let's say you didn't. So I want to show you some things that you can do if you don't like your ombres. But that's my ombres. I like them. Keep in mind, no one gonna be this close to your nails, okay? So cut yourself some slack. Oh yeah, we're gonna add crystals first. Just kidding, because why not? Crystals are everything. So I am just kind of doing a little swooping technique here. Look how cute that just looks. I just love it. Anyway, so we are applying another top coat. This is a tack-free top coat. And then I'm going to give this a flash cure, because then we're gonna come in with some chrome. So this is just the pearl chrome, so you'll see most of the color still underneath. I personally don't, for this specific look, it's not a fan. With darker colors, I think this looks great. But for like the current look I'm going for, this was not my favorite, but this is how you would cover up like a less than perfect blend. This is another technique. This is my favorite to do. If you hate it, add some glitter. Yeah, glitter. I'm telling you, it hides everything. But I just thought this looked really pretty anyway. I love crystal. So I'm gonna end this here. I hope this helped for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.